In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to migrate your WordPress site onto another host, i.e. goCloud web hosting, but the same principle will work for any host. This is our website that we're looking to migrate. Firstly, we need to go into our existing cPanel and click on File Manager. Okay, once in File Manager, we need to click into the directory where the WordPress installation is. In my instance, it's in my public HTML directory. So firstly, what I like to do is download the wp-config.php file. So if we click on that and click download, and that's going to save on my local computer. Next, we will select all the files to download. So we want to take every single WordPress file, and then we want to compress that first. So click compress, and I like to use zip archive, so click that. You can use any of these compress files. That's all done. Close that, and now we see that we have a new file, wordpress/admin.zip. So we click on that and download. Click OK, and that will download to our local computer. Now we need to go back to cPanel, and we need to download our database. So we click on PHP My Admin. Next, we click on the database we wish to download, which in this case is this database. And then we click Check All, and we want to export that. Format, we want SQL, so OK. Click Save, and that will save on our local computer. Next, we want to log into our email and find the email of your hosting account. In this case, it's goCloud web hosting account, new account information, and you need to find the server information. So here it's got the server name, goCloudWebHosting.com, server IP address. We are looking for the name servers, because we have to now click into our domain hosting account and change the name host servers to now point to our new hosting account. So if you click into your domain hosting account, in this case it's GoDaddy.com, and then click Manage. And then you need to go to the name servers and click Change. And then in here, you would now enter the name server's new names, which in this case is NS1. So copy that, paste it in here. Same with the other one. Okay, and then hit save. Okay, so now our name servers are now pointing at our new host, which is goCloudWebHosting.com. So now we need to go back into that same email and log into our cPanel. So we log into that. Once in there, we need to click into File Manager. Okay, and then into Public HTML. Once inside your public HTML file, we now want to upload our WordPress site into this file. So I like to use File Manager, but also I will be putting together another video on how to use FTP instead of using your File Manager. So for this instance, we will show you how to use File Manager. So what you need to do is click Upload. Now you need to drop files here or select the files. So you need to go into your local computer and select the WordPress installation, which is this one here, and drag and drop. And depending on how big your WordPress installation is, it's going to depend how long this takes. This is a very basic site, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, that's now done. So if we go back to us and refresh that. Now we need to click on this and we want to extract it. So click extract. Yes. Close. And now we have all our files uploaded. So we don't need this file anymore, so we click on that and delete it. Okay. Next, we want to go back to our cPanel. We want to click on My SQL Databases. And we want to create a new database. I'm just going to use the same name here. Create database. Go back. Okay, and that's all created for us. Back to the home. Click in PHP My Admin. Click on New Database. And then we want to click on Import. Browse. Find the file. And then click Open. Scroll down and click Go. Okay, and that's all done. So now we want to go back to cPanel. Okay, once we're back into cPanel, we want to go and click on My SQL Databases. So if we click on that, and we want to scroll down and we want to add MySQL users. So we want to add a new user. So I'm just going to use that same name, generate that, copy that, generate. I have copied generate password. Create new user. Go back. And now we need to add user. these two here, so we click add, click all privileges, make changes, go back, and now that database is all set up with a privileges user set up. There's the database. So next we need to go into our WP config file. So if we open that up, which is here, and we need to change the username and the database password. In this case I've actually just left the username exactly how it was, but the password has changed, so I need to change that password. And then save. Okay. Now we need to go back into cPanel. Click on File Manager. Public HTML. And we need to upload that wp config.php file. So if we click it, upload, click override existing files, we're going to find that file, which is this. We can see that wp.config.php has been updated. So if we go now, we should have our new site, well, our existing site on our new host all ready to go. Right, so let's go and test that this site now works. goCloud hosting XYZ, and there's our site just as it was, all ready to go on the new host, goCloud web hosting. Okay, that's it. Thank you.